Guess what, guys? We got us another one from New York, upstate New York. 2022 Dodge Challenger SXT, all-wheel drive. He needs it for that weather up there. Look at this thing. Hold on one second. Another satisfied customer. Anyways, we can continue now. What we got done on it? Factory converter there, factory converter there. Then factory X-pipe, it's all 2.25 piping. And then he brought his own mufflers, big boys. 4s, right there, 2.5 in, 2.5 out. Big boys, 4. They're 14 inches long, 2.5 inches in and out. They look like that, right there, right there. They're designed different inside. So just wait and see. I think you guys will like the sound of them. I've heard them before. They sound really nice. Give it a nice deep tone. Then 2.25 pipe continues, and he had a muffler delete done somewhere else, there and there. And it's still got the factory tips out the back, as you guys can see. Right there. And there's the 2 resonators that was on it that we took off right there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Big boys. Ooh, nice. That's not a bad tone, guys. What do you think? Absolutely no rasp. Wow. Big boys got my vote. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 100. That's not bad, it's clean. Got stripes on the side. I like it, I like it. Not a bad looking automobile. That's up in let you guys hear on the inside.